flawless user experience demands intelligent testing. Let's dive into Cypress and explore the difference between end-to-end and component testing. While unit testing is great for early validation, modern apps filled with dynamic UI and microservices need a multi-layered testing approach. That's where Cypress steps in. End-to-end testing ensures the complete application flow, from UI to APIs and databases, works as expected. It's about simulating real user actions like login, checkout, and profile updates. Unlike tools like Selenium, Cypress runs inside the browser. It offers native access, time travel debugging, automatic waits, and supports cross-origin testing and parallelization. Component testing focuses on testing individual UI units in isolation, no backend needed. It checks different states, inputs, and interactions, fast and efficiently. Cypress offers true browser-based component testing, more accurate than just DOM setups. It helps verify visual styling, transitions, event handling, and even network mocks. E2E testing checks full workflows and needs more setup, while component testing is faster and less flaky due to its isolated nature. Each serves a unique purpose in your strategy. Use E2E when validating real user journeys or backend flows. Choose component testing to catch UI bugs, verify props, and support rapid development. Using both Cypress E2E and component testing together delivers faster development cycles, more reliable releases, and exceptional user experiences, all with reduced QA costs. Ready to elevate your testing? Reach out to a Cypress automation expert and build smarter, faster, and more reliable test strategies.